In today's video, we're making pumpkin pancakes with a pancake mix. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel, I share my family's favorite recipes from dinner, breakfast, to school lunches. So if that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button so you and I get to cook together twice a week. Today's recipe is super easy to make with any pancake mix out there. Tested it with about 6 different brands that you can find at your nearest grocery store, but they are all complete pancake mixes. But if your pancake mix does not say the word complete, which means you have to add an egg and milk, don't worry, I've got you covered. Directions for that are gonna be in the description box below. So first things first, I've measured my pancake mix flour right here. It already has the baking soda, baking powder, salt, everything you need to make fluffy pancakes right off the bat. I'm gonna add some brown sugar, which is totally optional, but I feel like pumpkin and brown sugar go so well together. And I also have some pumpkin pie mix around, so I'm going to measure some and add it to my bowl. If you don't have pumpkin spice mix, you could also use cinnamon, no biggie. Let's mix these guys around. So all the pancakes have a little bit of brown sugar and pumpkin spice mix. Now the beauty of a complete mix is that all you need to do is add water. I would not recommend using milk because it already has powdered milk in it. So your batter may come out too thick. So if it says complete, use water. I'm gonna add my water right into the bowl. And I'm gonna also add my canned pumpkin to it. Because it only needs half a cup of canned pumpkin, this is a perfect recipe to use up that little bit or half a can that you've got left in the fridge from a different recipe. And you know what? If you just open a can for these pancakes, I'll leave a bunch of recipes that you can use the rest with it. Let's mix that canned pumpkin into the batter. As you can see, I am breaking the canned pumpkin with the water first. And now, once it's incorporated, I'm going to mix the dry ingredients or that pancake mix into the batter, working it from the outside in. As soon as you see no visible pancake mix, you're done mixing. I'm gonna cook these pumpkin pancakes on a large griddle so you can visually see what they look like really well, but you can use a nonstick pan too. Once the pan is hot, I'm going to use some butter to grease it, or you can also use oil. And now I'm just gonna pour about 1/4 cup of pancake batter per pancake. And as you can see, the batter is quite thick, but it is very airy. And using the scoop directly as I'm pouring the batter to spread it on the pan, this helps me make sure they're cooked evenly and they're not super tall and thick. Now these pancakes are gonna cook for about 2 minutes on the first side, and you know they're ready to flip when the edges start to look defined. And at this point, I'm going to flip them over in the same order that I pour the batter in so they're all cooked evenly. Now one quick tip after you flip the pancakes is to never use the spatula and press down your pancake. It's gonna ooze out the batter on the sides, it's gonna leave some raw batter and change the texture. Now if you find tips like that helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know to always add them for you on my videos. Now these pancakes have already started to feel fluffy through the middle, so that's when you also know that they're ready. They've been cooking about 2 minutes on the second side. I'm gonna remove them from the hot griddle onto a plate and cook the rest of this batter. Let's pour some syrup over the top. Check them out. Guys, these look incredible. They look so fluffy in the middle. These pumpkin pancakes are super easy to make with a mix. They taste delicious. Grab the measurements right below the video. See you guys next time.